Hello my dear students, this is Priya. In the last lecture we had already started with the second lesson, fractions. In this lecture we are going to solve the second exercise. I have divided the second exercise into two parts. The first part which we are going to study today, it will comprise of the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fractions, and in the next lecture we will study the simplification of fractions. So let's get started. Addition or subtraction of fractions. We had already studied what are like fractions and what are unlike fractions. Like fractions are the fractions with same denominator and unlike fractions are the fractions with different denominators. So for addition and subtraction of like fractions, we have to just add the numerators. For example, if I have 8 upon 9 plus 7 upon 9. So we have to just add the numerators and keep the denominator as same. So 8 plus 7 will be 15 upon 9. And then the next step is to reduce the final answer. So here both the numerator and denominator are divisible by 3. So we can reduce it. 5 3s is 15 and 3 3s is 9. So your final answer will be 5 upon 3. But for unlike fractions, we have to first equate the denominators and then simplify. If I have 4 upon 5 plus 3 upon 4. So here denominators are not same. So first we will equalize the denominators. So for equalizing the denominators, we have to find the LCM of the denominators. So LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. So this will become, to make 5 as 20, we will multiply this whole fraction by 4. So 4 4s is 16 upon 4 5s are 20 plus, now here we will multiply this fraction by 5. So it will become 15 upon 20. Now we will just add them. As now it has become like fraction, so we will just add the numerators. So 6 plus 5 is 11 and then 31 upon 20. That's it. Now for multiplication of fractions, there is no need to see whether they are like or unlike fractions. We have to just multiply the numerator of each fraction and denominator of both the fractions. For example, if I have the same number, if I take 4 upon 5 multiplied by 3 upon 4. So here we have to just multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator, and also we can reduce them. So here it will be 4 multiplied by 3 upon 5 multiplied by 4, but 4 is common here, so we can divide it. So you will get 3 upon 5 as the answer. Now what are reciprocal? Reciprocal of any fractions are the inverse of it. Inverse means what? Its numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. If I have 3 upon 11, so reciprocal of 3 upon 11 will be, denominator will come in the numerator and numerator will come in denominator. So reciprocal of 3 upon 11 is 11 upon 3. Now division. If you have to divide two fractions, for example 3 upon 5 divided by 2 upon 9. So here the first step is to write the reciprocal of the second fraction. So here second fraction is 2 upon 9. So its reciprocal will be 9 upon 2, and then convert this division sign by multiplication sign. So this will become 3 upon 5. Division sign will be replaced by multiplication sign, and reciprocal of 2 upon 9 will be 9 upon 2. So now it is simply a multiplication. So similarly by this we can solve this. So numerator multiplied by numerator. So 3 multiplied by 9 and 5 multiplied by 2. And there is nothing common here, we will just multiply them. 3 9s is 27 upon 5 2s is 10. This will be our final answer. Now we will begin with the second exercise. The first question is evaluate the following. Here three fractions are given. So we will see 7 upon 10 plus 3 upon 10 minus 9 upon 10. So clearly it is a like fraction. So here we have to just add or subtract the numerators. So it will become 7 plus 3 minus 9 upon 10. Okay. So 7 plus 3 is 10. So 10 minus 9 upon 10. So it will become 1 upon 10. Here three fractions are given, but all these fractions are mixed fractions. So first we have to convert it into improper fractions. So converting it into improper fractions is, so denominator multiplied by this whole number plus numerator. So 10 multiplied by 4 is 40, 40 plus 1 is 41, 41 upon 10 minus 2 3s is 6, 6 plus 1 7. So 7 upon 3 plus 3 5s is 15, 15 plus 2 17, 17 upon 5. Now the three denominators are 10, 3 and 5. So it is not a like fraction. So we have to convert it into like fractions. So LCM of 10, 3 and 5 is 30. So we will convert all these denominators into 30. So 10 3s is 30. So we will multiply this fraction by 3. 41 multiplied by 3 upon 10 multiplied by 3 minus this is here 3 tens is 30. So 7 multiplied 10 upon 3 multiplied by 10 plus 17 multiplied by 6 5 is 30. So 6 upon 5 multiplied by 6. So in the denominator you will get 30. In the numerator 3 ones are 3, 3 fours is 12. So 123 minus 7 tens is 70 plus 17 6 are. So 6 7 is 42. Carry 4, 6 1 is 6 and plus 4 is 10. So 102. So we will get 123 minus 70. So it is 70. So 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. So 50. So it, and 3 is also there in units place. So 53. 53 plus 102 upon 30. So now you will get by adding this 5 and then 15. 155 upon 30. So now these numbers are clearly divisible by 5. So we will divide them. 5 3s is 15, then 5 1s is 5 upon 6. We can also convert it into mixed fraction now. So 6 5s is 30. So it will become 5 integer 1 upon 3. So 6 5 is 30 and plus 31. Okay. So this will be your final answer now. Now the second question. Find the following. The first one is 3 upon 5 of 165 meters. So there are total 165 meters and we have to find 3/5 of it. So of means what? Of means multiplication. Always remember this. Of means multiplication. Okay. So we will solve this. 3 upon 5. Of will be replaced by multiplication sign multiplied by 165. So now you already know how to multiply fractions. Here 165 is even. So 165 means 165 upon 1. So it will be 3 multiplied by 165 upon 5 multiplied by 1. Okay. So 165 can be divided by 5. So we will reduce it. 5 ones are 5. And here 5 3s is 15 and then again 5 3s is 15. So you will get 3 multiplied by 33. So 3 3s is 9 and 3 3s is again 9. Okay. So you can conclude that 3/5 of 165 meters is 99 meters. Okay. Now the B question 7 upon 15 of 4 integer 1 upon 6 kg. Here the second fraction is mixed fraction. So first step here it is to convert it into improper one. So here this will be as it is 7 upon 15. Of will be again replaced by multiplication sign. And this 6 4 is 24 plus 1 25 upon 6. Now the same process, multiplying numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So 7 multiplied by 25 upon 15 multiplied by 6. But 25 and 15 both are divisible by 3. So first we will reduce it. 5 is 25 and 5 3 is 15. So you get 7 multiplied by 5 upon 3 multiplied by 6. So your final answer will be 7 5 is 35 upon 6 3 is 18. You can leave it as it is or you convert it into again mixed fraction. So 18 2 is 36. So here 17 will be the remainder as it is 35. So 18 1 are 18. One integer 17 upon 18 is your final answer. One more sum from the second question. 12 integer 1 upon 2 multiplied by 4 integer 2 upon 3 in one bracket of 2 integer 3 upon 7. So by BODMAS rule, we have to first solve the innermost bracket. So here we have to solve this bracket first, and in this bracket we have two mixed fractions. First we will convert them into improper fractions and then multiply it, and then we can open the bracket. So it will become 12 2 is 24 plus 1 25 upon 2 multiplied by 4 3 is 12 plus 2 14 upon 3. Of means multiplication, and 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. So 17 upon 7. Now we get this can be reduced. So 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. So 25 multiplied by 7. 7 5s is 35. Carry 3, 7 2s are 14 plus 3 is 17. So 175 upon 3 multiplied by 17 upon 7. 175 is divisible by 7. So we will reduce it. 7 1s are 7 and 7 25 is 175. So 25 multiplied by 17 upon 3. So by multiplying this number we get 25 multiplied by 17. 7 5 is 35, 7 2 is 14, plus 3 is 17, 0, 1, 2, so 5, 2, 4. So 425 upon 3. So now we can convert this answer into mixed fraction. So we will divide this number 425 by 3. 3 1s is 3. 12 will come down. So 3 4s is 12. And then 5 will come down. So 5 3. So remainder is 2. So your answer will be 141 2 integer 3. The third question is find the reciprocal of the following fractions. So reciprocal means reversing the fraction. So reciprocal of 7 upon 8 will be 8 upon 7. And reciprocal of this fraction, so it is mixed fraction. First we will convert it into improper. 7 4 is 28 plus 3, 31 upon 7. So reciprocal of 31 upon 7 is 7 upon 31. Okay. These were the last sums for the day. In the next lecture, we will first study how to simplify a given fraction, and then we will split this exercise.